Hey guys, today we talk about how can you select first day of the week on your My Jury app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on first day of the week, you just click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here, and here can you select it like this here on your uh, app. So that's all you have to do. Then when you down click here on save. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.